Hello, everyone. Yes, we are back. Sorry for the technical glitch and the network issues. So this was so much inspiring and just intense conversation was going through with Didi. Uh, yeah, just got to know so many things. Yes, Didi. So yes,
So
Didi, yes, we are at that point of
you were talking about crisis, no?
crisis. Yes, yes.
Yeah. But don't you think that we are born and brought up in a culture where we have been exposed to so many poets, saints, great thinkers, great gurus, great artists? We live in a land where everything is very, very inspiring. Look at all our great mythology and
Exactly.
scriptures and everything, and dancers. Don't you think that we have learned immensely from the sahitya on which we dance? Don't you
Definitely.
think? And
Yes.
I don't mean to say that we don't have a problem. We have a problem, we have a crisis, but it's not a personal crisis. It's a crisis which is inevitable now because the entire world is learning to deal with it. That is one area of it. The second thing is that, as I said in the beginning, that we have been we have not been pushing our boundaries and going थोड़ा इधर उधर, लाइक
Exactly.
जैसे एक प्लांट करता है ना, वो जैसे जैसे बड़ा होता है ना, उसके नीचे उसके रूट्स बड़े होने लगते हैं. तो वॉट एवर सी ओनली अ पार्ट ऑफ द ट्री यू सी ऊपर से, बट दैट्स नॉट द कंप्लीट ट्री. द
No,
रिमेनिंग इज इनसाइड. There is an equal amount of growth which is
growth
inside. So
insight. Exactly.
I draw a lot of inspiration from nature,
Nature.
and I am just thinking that, are we not digging inside and learning from our own roots and connecting with our roots? Don't you think that since now we need help, तो ऊपर तो नहीं दिखेगा help, तो help के लिए roots में अगर जाने का मौका मिले, तो क्या
Millennium.
हम वो कर सकते हैं? See, it will be a lonesome journey. It will be a journey with
Definitely.
solitude. It will be with a lot of loneliness. I do agree with that, but this is the only way of emerging again. This is the
Exactly. Exactly.
only way to emerge. पेड़
Emerge.
में जब पतझड़ होता है तो पेड़ क्या करता है? पेड़ बोलता है कि मुझे ग्रांट चाहिए, मुझे फंडिंग चाहिए, मुझे. पेड़ क्या करता होगा? पेड़ अपने रूट्स पे जाता है वापस, अपने
बिल्कुल
रिसोर्सेज
बिल्कुल.
पे जाता है. इट वर्क्स ऑन इट्स ओन रिसोर्सेज. इट ट्राइज टू, so that is what a tree has done, because a tree has a vision.
Exactly.
A tree has a vision to go deep down into
Yeah.
the roots, and
Hmm.
when it grows outwards, sideways and upwards, it
It's
also grows downwards. एक आर्टिस्ट की जो जर्नी है उसमें ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है कि उसकी ग्रोथ सब
inward
तरफ होनी चाहिए, सब तरफ.
journey towards the inward. That is
Everywhere, every direction, every
everywhere.
direction, Nayanika, because one direction is vertical. So when you have fame
Hmm.
and earnings, these are vertical.
Hmm. Yeah.
Then you have opportunities, these are like the expanse of it. All
Yeah.
the opportunities and all the connections that you get. But this is all soil के ऊपर का है ना, soil
बिल्कुल. Yes.
रोज करना चाहिए. So now,
बिल्कुल.
no harm in that. I think from now onwards we will try to look at that also.
बिल्कुल.
We should look at the ideal blend of academic, artistic, philosophical, spiritual, reflection, contemplation, and with a business mind.
Wow.
बिजनेस माइंड भी चाहिए, लेकिन सिर्फ
बिल्कुल.
बिजनेस माइंड होगा तो काफी नहीं.
काफी नहीं है. राइट. बिल्कुल.
पेड़ को पता होता है पतझड़ का समय है, ठीक है, कट जाएगा, इसके बाद बसंत भी आ जाएगी, फिर वर्षा भी आ जाएगी, हो जाएगा, हर मौसम के लिए तैयार रहना। तो
बिल्कुल।
आर्टिस्ट को उस तरह का एक रिजॉल्व, ठीक है, बहुत समय के बाद हमें ऐसा धक्का पड़ा, मगर धक्के से हम थोड़ा सा सीख लेंगे, आई थिंक हम लोग थोड़ा इंटेलेक्चुअली इंक्लाइंड हो जाएंगे, हम लोग थोड़ा सा सोशली रेलेवेंट काम ज्यादा मन लगा के करेंगे, और हम लोग सिर्फ ये नहीं सोचेंगे कि परफॉर्मेंसेस करना इज द ओनली थिंग दैट वी नो मेनी मोर थिंग्स,
राइट,
we know many more things and we do many more things, so we have to take equal interest in everything. तो
that's very important.
मैं सोच रही हूँ, ये एक बात हो गई, this is only one part of the 10 things that are in my mind right now. The second thing is about learning from our own sahitya and our own literary tradition, and learning from the Sant Vangmay, saint literature and all the ancient wisdom, जो हमारे देश का एक कल्चरल हेरिटेज है.
बिल्कुल.
Even great poets like Rabindranath Tagore, did he ever write a poem in which he has said that मेरे को कोई problem नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को, he has written poems in which he has asked for blessing. हे ईश्वर, मुझे विघ्न मत दो, ऐसा मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, लेकिन मुझे विघ्न को सामना करने का बुद्धि और शक्ति. Right.
That is the thing we sometimes we forget. Yes.
We forget that. Yes. We forget exactly. that. Great thoughts are not to be only read and forwarded to friends. Great thoughts are to be something that need to remain with you. I know it's not easy, but have we all not gone through crisis? Have we all not learned from crisis? And are we not willing to learn in future? We have to do that.
बिल्कुल.
And the only truth is death. We all know that. हमारे सभी महापुरुषों ने और सभी any religious tradition, any philosophical tradition, we know that the ultimate truth is death.
बिल्कुल.
And we never prepare ourselves for that. We never prepare ourselves for the most how do I say, this kind of confrontation. We don't prepare our minds, but this is where Gita, Bhagavad Gita, or any or Buddha, what Buddha's teachings, or all the saint poets, saint literature, have we looked at the content and have we reflected on that? If we had done that, we would have not been panic stricken.
बिल्कुल.
The way Rabindranath Tagore romanticizes death.
बिल्कुल.
He has in so many poems he has talked about looking at, alo chaya nitto nate, डेली का नाच, दिन और छाया का एक साथ नाच चल रहा है, यहाँ जन्म है, यहाँ मृत्यु है, यहाँ जन्म है, यहाँ मृत्यु है. This is life. This
is the life. Exactly.
Do you think we were not aware of it?
Exactly. It's not always about happiness, beauty, and all the nice things around. It's not all about that.
And to my surprise, if we are dancers, are we not aware of Navarasas? Are we not aware that Shringar is one of the 9 rasas? There is Vibhasi also. There is Vibhasa, there is Bhayanaka, there is Karuna, there is everything.
Everything.
So when we are into dancing, we know about all the emotions and why we want to defy it and deny it. Natya Shastra talks about the beauty in every rasa, in every bhava. So where is our willingness to embrace every emotion, every rasa of life? Pain is a sensation. It's a samvedana. Buddha says that anything, it is either a sukhad samvedana or a dukkhad samvedana. It is either of the two. And both are actually samvedana. Nothing but It is like an electrical stimulus of the nervous system. Nothing more than that. We were not preparing ourselves towards all this. If we want to again go through this, this is the time. This is the time to read Tagore, to read Sant Gyaneshwar, read Sant Tukaram, Mirabai, read about Aurobindo, how he, in his Savitri, how he talks about dialogue with death. It is so enlightening. It is so much enlightening. Who is Mahakali? Is she not the embodiment of time? And what is time? What is time? Time is, it has so many layers. So then how do you get mukti from this time?
Wonderful.
The only way to get mukti from time is to evoke timelessness. And how do you evoke timelessness? We have answers in our own parampara. We have these answers.
Exactly.
When we want to happily say that we are traditional artists, we have to also be advocates of the richness of our parampara.
So much enriching, awakening, and divine kind of, it's all together with the conversation with you. It's all summing up. It's all kind of emotions is summing up within me right now. My brain is working in this so many diverse ways. Okay, wonderful.
Yeah, so this is also one of the perspectives. So I am saying I have 10 things in my mind. So this is one of the 10 things. And many things. I can go on, like I can do a lecture series on this.
Right.
So, I don't want to say that this is extremely very nice to have a problem. But what I want to say is that every problem is a newer opportunity for us to learn.
Bilkul.
And this is the time to reflect, to slow down, to stop if required, to help each other, to talk to each other, to also find out who are in bigger troubles than us. There are many such people who are in great trouble. We have some elderly gurus, dance gurus, who are living a life of isolation. And they are also going through old age. So you can imagine people who are they are old, they are aging, and they are alone.
Exactly.
And now they are also little scared.
Yes.
So I think instead of asking for help, if we can manage for a few days on all by ourselves with whatever resources we have, if we can manage, then can we be of some assistance to these people? That is also a way of looking, हम लोग जब अपने बारे में बहुत सोचते हैं ना, तो हमारा दुख बढ़ जाता है. फिर हम दूसरे के बारे में सोचते हैं तो हमारा दुख कम हो जाता है. ये तो है. So this is another way of looking at it.
Yes.
And then the third way is working on the coping ability, about your emotional immunity. There is something called emotional immunity. So जैसे हमारे physical
new terms I'm getting to know from you. So
ये term मैं खुद ही बना रही हूँ आजकल.
Emotional
immunity. तो इमोशनल इम्यूनिटी भी एक चीज है. इमोशनल इम्यूनिटी वैसे ही है जैसे हमारी एक फिजियोलॉजिकल इम्यूनिटी, हेल्थ या क्लिनिकल जो हमारी इम्यूनिटी होती है. सम ऑफ अस फॉल सिक वेरी फास्ट. जैसे मौसम बदलता है, वी स्टार्ट स्नीजिंग, वी कैच अ कोल्ड, वी हैव अ सोर थ्रोट, एंड देन समवन टेल्स अस दैट, oh, maybe your immunity is not so good. You should work on your immunity. True. So there are two things that we have to do with our health. One is to cure ourselves. Suppose we catch a cold. So we have to cure ourselves. That is one important thing, that is about emergency. So that is the, I will call it the corrective measure.
Mm-hmm.
So the corrective measure is, if you catch cold, you should take some medicine. You should wear warm clothes and take rest and all that, and just see to it that you don't have any further exposure to cold, to winter or whatever.
Bilkul.
So that is all corrective measure. Now, what about preventive measure? There is, when you do a corrective measure, you should also think of preventive measure. So what is the preventive measure? Preventive measure, you will observe that if I continue catching cold very frequently, that means I don't have a good immune system. So I have to improve my immune system. Maybe I should have tulsi every day. Maybe I should have honey every day. Maybe I should improve. I should do yoga. Maybe I should do pranayama. Maybe I should do. This is to improve my immunity. And this improving my immunity will be helpful for me to protect me from further, catching cold in future. Maybe I will be able to handle it better. I don't want to say that I don't want winter. Oh, I love winter. But I will be able to handle winter in a better way, because now I am working on my immunity.
Immunity. Yes.
So that is the preventive measure. So accordingly, for our emotional ability,
immunity, you have so, or the ability.
Yeah. So for our emotional ability, we have to observe: do we get panic stricken? Do we get angry very soon? Do we get confused?
True.
Do we become defensive? Do we how we deal with a problem?
Short-tempered, kind of.
Anything.
Anything kind
of. So how we are dealing with a problem?
Emotional as well as behavioral. Both ways we can. Behavioral. Both ways.
Behavioral is like a symptom of the emotional makeup.
Exactly. Yes.
It is like behavior is a symptom. Behavior is like a symptom.
Yes.
So I think that is also one thing, that if we have lot of problem with being able to address a challenging situation, then I think this is a more liberal way of looking at ourselves. That, I cannot handle crisis so well. I can't do it. And none of us can do that, because we are not prepared for this. And that is why this whole life is like one pathshala,
Yes.
Life is nothing but a pathshala. So learn every day. Last time when I met my friend, or I didn't, I had some problem, and I was not able to deal with it properly. Last time I was not able to deal with jealousy properly. Or last time when someone was angry with me and was getting annoyed with me and was trying to be impolite with me, I was not able to handle that well. If we are able to have that dialogue with ourselves, I think half of the problem is gone.
Problem solved, right? Very true.
Half of the problem is gone, and then
the same thing is that going to the root of the problem.
Yes.
Finding answer.
Yes. So I am also looking at, because crisis, ऐसे तो हम नहीं बोल सकते कि ये crisis क्यों हो गया. अब तो हो गया है. अब तो ये नहीं बोल सकते कि क्यों हो रहा है. तो ये तो हो गया है. अब हो गया है, so how to accept it, and then not losing our focus, how we can make it a meaningful journey, and how all of us have to start again thinking that we are in a pathshala. We are learning. Khatam baat. That will reduce the load. हम लोग ना बहुत वजन कैरी करके घूमते रहते हैं. We have our own, like in our head, we have, like I'm this, I'm a performing artist, I'm choreographer, I'm this and that. So अभी क्या होगा? Like I'm not performing. So that is gone into our mind. Most of us, we are suffering because of that.
बिल्कुल.
But now another thing that I will close with this, because there are many things that I have thought of. So another thing, I'm sure some of the young learners or my colleagues, whoever is watching this program, may agree with me that our gurus were not performing so frequently. Like 40 साल पहले इतने प्रोग्राम नहीं होते थे कि हर दिन प्रोग्राम हो रहा है, एवरी वीक देयर इज अ प्रोग्राम. ऐसा नहीं होता था. ऐसा नहीं होता था.
बिल्कुल.
The frequency was not so much. Not so much. I remember Guru Rohini Bhate ji used to tell me that साल में हम लोग साल भर हम लोग कुछ सोचते थे. मतलब प्रोग्राम करते रहते थे बीच बीच में, जो हो रहे हैं. पुणे में जो प्रोग्राम्स होते थे करते थे, कभी कहीं से इनविटेशन है, बॉम्बे से, कहीं से भी. तो साल में थोड़े प्रोग्राम्स. बट शी यूज्ड टू से दैट माय मेन फोकस यूज्ड टू बी कि इस बार कालका बिंदादीन जयंती में हम क्या करेंगे. So 1 year she used to think, and she used to refine. Yes. So 1 year of thinking and working on a new dance piece, keeping in mind that festival.
बिल्कुल.
So I think that is the reason she could bring original work.
Yes.
That was हम लोग महाराज जी के भी जब रिहर्सल्स करते थे, महाराज जी के प्रोडक्शंस में, एक प्रोडक्शन का रिहर्सल 2 महीने 3 महीने होता था. And the process used to go in a very nice, a very leisurely way in many ways. Like there was no stress that ये कल तक खत्म करना है, कल तक खत्म.
There was no deadline kind of that thing.
Deadline. I mean, we had a deadline, but the deadline was not like tomorrow.
Exactly. Now the span has becoming very short. मतलब वो
Yes.
मतलब
So that production, so every production was, the work would start maybe a couple of months in advance, and the initial days used to be only learning few things. It's like how to move. तो जैसे वो उलूपी वाला कॉम्पोजिशन है, तो सांप की तरह कैसे मूव करना, अच्छा भी ऐसे मूव करो, भी ऐसे करो, भी ये करो, एंड नॉट नोइंग कि कौन सा रोल करेगा. वो भी एक बात थी कि we didn't know who is going to do which role, but we were just learning. And then the final cast used to be decided. So that kind of learning was greatly beneficial, because you are learning for the sake of learning and not learning for the sake of performing. And the performance that we were supposed to do, even for the gurus, it was not something to prove a point or something. It was a pure manifestation of their artistic pursuit, or a beautiful idea that was artistically processed and presented.
Right.
तो मेरे को ये भी सीखने को मिला कि process is always more important than the product. है ना?
Yes. The journey, how you are just traveling, the experience you are gathering. Definitely, outcome तो कुछ होगा ही, but process कैसा था?
और कई बार ऐसे भी होता है. देखो, कई प्रोग्राम्स ऐसे हो जाते हैं जो किसी ना किसी कारण से पोस्टपोन या कैंसिल हो जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो तब ना ऐसे समय पे हमने एनालाइज करना चाहिए कि हमने रिस्पॉन्ड कैसे किया. अगर हमको कुछ विशेष फर्क नहीं पड़ा, चलो ठीक है, हमने इस बहाने ये बन गया, अच्छा इस बहाने ये भी तो कंपोज हो गया, अच्छा ये भी तैयार, चलो, लाइक दैट. If we can naturally be positive,
exactly, rejoice those moments. Yes.
I mean, even if we are disappointed, you will be disappointed because you were not
definitely.
but you had that kind of emotional perspective or emotional response that चलो इस बहाने ये ताल पे भी काम हो गया, ये बना लिया, चलो सिंस आई हैड अ डेडलाइन आई डिड दैट, चलो ठीक है प्रोग्राम नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं। तो अगर हम इस तरह के व्यक्ति हैं तो हमको क्राइसिस में मदद मिलेगी, लेकिन अगर हम उस तरह के व्यक्ति हैं कि I end up becoming very, very ambitious and I become very obsessed with everything that comes my way. If I'm that kind of a person, then I'm bound to face more problems because I will magnify my problems so much.
Right.
And I will just look at my own problem. I will not look at anyone else's problem. तो ये एक लर्निंग का सब कि अभी एम्पैथी, कंपैशन, resolve, harmony, peace, I think it is the need of the time.
Definitely. Didi, some few questions definitely I have. Some thoda sa matlab controversial type of, you can say. But I want to ask you, what is your take on this, the very thing as going on the Bollywood Kathak? I would use the term of.
ये term किसने दिया?
It's going on. It's in the train. It's a trend is going on.
ये हमको पता करना चाहिए पहले कि ये term किसने coin किसने किया? Why someone wanted to coin this term? Because whoever has coined this, I'm sorry, with due apologies. I don't want to hurt anyone, but that particular person has hurt Kathak, the spirit of Kathak. There is no need to give this kind of nomenclature. There is no need to do that.
Yes, the stamp of Bollywood. The Kathak doesn't need that.
No need to do that. See, अभी एक बात है कि फिल्म में कोरियोग्राफर्स बहुत सारे हैं जिन्होंने अलग अलग तरह का डांस बनाया है ना? Some are modern, some creative, cross cultural, whatever. बेली डांस भी आ गया, फिर ये भी आ गया, कुछ भी आ रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, ठीक है? तो उसी में से चलो कथक भी हो गया। तो कथक कुछ नया नहीं, बहुत पहले से हो रहा था। कथक माने प्योर कथक तो मेरे ख्याल से रोशन कुमारी जी का मैंने एक देखा था। आई डोंट नो इफ प्योर कथक किसी ने बहुत ज्यादा किया है। आई डोंट नो,
नहीं किसी ने नहीं किया।
मेनली वैसे हुआ है कि कथक गुरुओं ने डांस कोरियोग्राफी किया है and they have taught film actresses.
बिल्कुल.
They have taught film actresses and the choreographers were eminent Kathak gurus. लेकिन इसी तरह से ही कुचिपुड़ी के भी गुरुओं ने फिल्म कोरियोग्राफी किया है।
भरतनाट्यम में भी हुआ है।
भरतनाट्यम के गुरुओं ने भी कोरियोग्राफी किया फिल्म के लिए। You have lot of Telugu films जिसमें कुचिपुड़ी वेम्पटी मास्टर ने किया, वेम्पटी चिन्ना सत्यम ने कंपोज किया था, सिखाया था, एंड भरतनाट्यम आल्सो सिमिलरली। तो why we want to give so much attention to film, this kind of film dancing?
Right.
This is I don't think if mainstream Kathak, mainstream Odissi dancers or mainstream Kuchipudi dancers or Bharatanatyam dancers have given so much of attention to what a heroine is dancing.
Exactly. Yes.
I have never seen a Bharatanatyam guru discussing about any particular film and saying कि अरे वो वाले फिल्म में वो जो डांस था ना हम लोग वो अपने क्लास में सिखा रहे। I don't know. I'm not. I mean, there may be exceptions, but they have not, इतना attention.
Exactly, they don't need to. Exactly. Yes.
तो लेकिन हम लोगों का एक प्रॉब्लम ये है कि Kathak community has given too much of attention to few dance sequences in few films. We have given that attention. We have. I mean, it's our mistake as a community. We have given attention to this, and I remember there was a moment. Now let me also share one of my own experiences. It's very unfortunate, it is unfortunate that we have dance practitioners who want to gain some kind of acknowledgement and recognition by dancing to some film songs.
Oh,
Yeah. So there was a moment when someone was sharing a clip of Madhuri Dixit, who was touching Maharaji's feet in some TV program.
yes, yes.
So,
In a reality,
huh?
in a reality show, maybe some.
हाँ,
कुछ होगा ऐसा.
होगा. मतलब I have never seen that program, that TV program, but someone was sharing that video clip, and in that clip they were showing Madhuri Dixit doing pranam to Maharaj. Now that's a very sweet gesture of any dance lover and any dancer. I think any dancer, any age, महाराज जी इज लाइक अ युग पुरुष. तो अगर कोई भी कलाकार उनके सामने जाएगा तो वो कलाकार महाराज जी को प्रणाम करेगा ही.
Definitely.
Obviously करेगा. So for a person like me who has been dancing for more than 4 decades now, मैं ऐसे ही देख रही हूँ कि a very nice polite gesture by the film actress that she has shown her respect and gratitude to a great guru, and she also receives blessings and training from him. तो उस नाते बनता भी है, गुरु को प्रणाम करना तो बनता है.
बिल्कुल.
तो ये तो मेरे लिए एक उसी तरह से एक नॉर्मल रिफ्लेक्शन था. तो किसी ने उसको इस तरह से इंटरप्रेट किया कि माधुरी दीक्षित कितनी ग्रेट है और वो इतनी फेमस होते हुए भी उसने देखो माधुरी को प्रणाम किया. तो I was surprised because that particular Kathak dancer was my age. Okay. So my age होगी कि नहीं होगी मुझे मालूम नहीं, मगर my generation बोल सकते हैं. हाँ. तो मैं इसलिए हैरान हो गई कि रिफ्लेक्शन में कितना फर्क है. मैं ऐसे देख रही हूँ कि हाँ, इतने बड़े गुरु तो ऑब्वियसली हर एक को प्रणाम करना चाहिए था, उसने भी किया वेरी नाइस. हाँ, लेकिन कोई दूसरे तरह से देख रहा है. कोई ऐसे देख रहा है कि वो इतनी फेमस फिल्म स्टार और देखो इतनी बड़े होते हुए भी प्रणाम करती है, उसमें उसका बड़प्पन है. तो I was initially, I didn't want to express my opinion, but then since this was going on, there were few other Kathak dancers also who joined her, and they started saying that, ha, she is such a great person, she is so humble, and she is so, कितना बड़प्पन है उसकी, कितनी महानता है. ये थोड़ा ज्यादा हो रहा है. इतने महान गुरु को अगर कोई प्रणाम कर रहा है,
एग्जैक्टली वही.
यानी प्रणाम करने वाले की क्या, प्रणाम करने वाले को हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ, उसका शी इज अ वेरी अच्छे संस्कार की है. संस्कार है, राइट. ऐसे बोलते कि कितनी महान है, कितनी महान है कि वो पाँव छू रही है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि I think someone like me who is a sincere dance practitioner, it is my duty to be a Kathak dancer herself, being a Kathak dancer herself. Not it was Kathak dancers who were actually looking at the whole episode from a different perspective. Exactly. So, so that is the concern. See, Nayanika, that is the problem. The problem is we are underestimating our own potential. Our own potential. We are underestimating, and we are giving too much attention to what is being performed in the name of Kathak in film. I'm not commenting whether the film was nice or not, whether the dance was good or not. I don't want to comment on that because let the critics decide on that. And I also have my own opinion. Exactly. And everyone has the right to form an opinion. That's a different matter altogether. But the thing is, we are giving so much of attention to such episodes.
Mm-hmm.
Why we are giving such attention to this kind of episodes? Why we don't have that kind of dignity and respect for our parampara? कि देखो, भक्त अगर मंदिर में प्रणाम करता है तो भक्त महान है ऐसा हम क्यों कहेंगे? हम तो मंदिर की महिमा कहेंगे ना, कि मंदिर हमारा इतना भव्य है, देखो इस मंदिर में तो प्रधानमंत्री भी आके मत्था टेकते हैं, बड़े बड़े राजा रंक सभी आके मत्था टेकते हैं। तो हम अपने परंपरा को एक बहुत भव्य मंदिर की तरह क्यों नहीं देख रहे?
Exactly.
हम उसको ऐसा क्यों देख रहे कि हम we have started looking at our own art form as a very fragile thing.
Exactly.
It's not at all fragile. Let me tell everyone that we have to believe, we have to have faith in the potential and power of our tradition. It's not at all a fragile thing. शायद हमारा तालीम कम हुआ है, ये हो सकता है।
Exactly. No, but people who are just floating with these ideas, I think they don't have that much kind of training.
They don't many times when your talim is not enough, and when you don't have a good creative mind
and direction, and the direction of work you have.
Yes.
So you just
and if you don't have the ability and the patience to look into sahitya, brilliant music, if you don't have the ability of understanding music well, understanding sahitya well, if you don't have the curiosity to read and go deeper into any sahitya,
yes,
I think that is when your imagination is in deep crisis. It is suffering. It is in a ventilator now. It's not breathing. Your imagination cannot have fresh air because it doesn't have fresh ideas. You don't have fresh ideas. So if you don't have fresh ideas, your imagination is suffering. And if your imagination is suffering, तो फिर तब आप बॉलीवुड का सहारा लेते हो।
ये मेरा instant publicity and all this, that kind of getting
publicity नहीं मिलता है, publicity नहीं मिलता है। देखो publicity तो
बीच में कभी मेरे friends भी ना, they keep sending me this kind of, they know that I am a Kathak dancer, so maybe that kind of these things happens, and this is so much frustrating to make them understand, okay, this is not Kathak, okay, hello, this is not Kathak. And this is from very known persons. So see, this is the Kathak, and this Chatak Matak and all these things have. Okay, sorry, this is not Kathak. Whatever you are just.
नहीं, वो ठीक है, वो ठीक है। देखो कथक मूवमेंट्स यूज करके कुछ लोग ना गानों पे डांस करते हैं।
हाँ।
अभी सब तरह के गानों पे करते हैं। बहुत तरह के इंस्ट्रूमेंटल है, फ्यूजन म्यूजिक है, बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स है, लोग करते हैं। And some of those I have seen once in a while. I have seen, because it just happens that we come across something. What I have observed is sometimes there are very talented dancers who pick such songs or such instrumental music and they dance to it. What I want to say is, very honestly, sometimes I like the dancing because the ang is good maybe, or the clarity of timing, the precision is good.
The presentation.
Not the presentation. Not the presentation, but the basic ang.
Okay.
Your ang, your movement and the time.
Technicalities you are saying about.
वो सब ठीक है, लेकिन कैसे है कि तुम्हारा इतना पोटेंशियल था और तुमने उसको छुपा दिया। मैं तो उसको ऐसे देखूं, my perspective will be like this. I will want to guide that person and say that अगर आप इतना सुंदर नाच सकते ही हो, आप मेन स्ट्रीम करो ना, मेन स्ट्रीम करो। 5-5 मिनट के गाने पे मत नाचो, 5-5 मिनट के गाने के मत नाचो। Your talent deserves more attention. So you do 1 hour solo, you do half an hour solo, जो भी कुछ करना है,
जो भी
you
करना है।
do proper dancing, तुमको लाइफ लॉन्ग अटेंशन मिलेगा. ये अटेंशन एक दिन मिलेगा, दूसरे दिन नहीं मिलेगा, है ना. If you want to get attention lifelong, like for few decades, then you take this path.
Didi, here Nandini Mandaldi from US, she's saying that many parents abroad want their children to learn Kathak because Deepika did, Madhuri did, so on. Perspectives are so stereotyped.
Yeah. I agree with you, Nandini ji. I agree with you. But I also think that as a community, we have to find an answer for this. I have found few answers, and I'm willing to share those answers to people who would like to listen to me. Because this has helped me also as a Kathak practitioner to continue doing what I'm doing. See, I have had my own challenges. I work in a non-metropolitan city that has I can also say that I introduced Kathak and Odissi here in this city. So, having done that, when I was trying to create an audience, it is a big challenge because the entire Janta is film lover. And
Yes.
how do I create an audience that can appreciate a beautiful, refined dance performance, Kathak or Odissi performance? That has been a great challenge for me. I've been often given funny ideas by people कि आप ऐसे क्यों नहीं करते, आप ये भी कर लो, आप ऐसा कर लो, आप ऐसा कर लो. But 23 years I have not changed my path. People have given me whatever suggestions they thought were good for me. As well wishers also sometimes they give suggestion कि आप थोड़ा ऐसा करके देख लो, आप ऐसे करके देख लो. In fact, there was a time, I like to compose and present things in a very intellectual manner. And I love going through an intellectual process of any creation that I do. And I used to share my artistic process with my parents also sometimes when I was young. Once in a while my parents used to tell me, they used to say, तुम्हारे डांस में ना लोक रंजन तत्व नहीं है. लोक रंजन तत्व नहीं है. So that was, they've been great supporters of whatever I have done all these years. But like a general to do, तो मैं उनको कुछ artistic process share करती थी. And they said, हमारे सिर के ऊपर से गया, हमको समझा नहीं, हमारे सिर के ऊपर से गया. Why don't you do something which is simpler? Why don't you, like, I want to create metaphors. Whatever composition I do, I want to deal
layers in the, yes.
This production on Mahatma Gandhi. So then that also, I'm not showing Mahatma Gandhi as a character. I'm just showing Mahatma Gandhi symbolically as a fabric.
Right.
So it is an intellectual process. So I have always been doing that, and I face immediate, answers from my well-wishers and everyone who would say कि अभी ये कौन समझेगा, अभी ये किसको समझ में आएगा, like that. But the funnier thing is, I have never changed doing that. I've never stopped doing that. I continue doing it. तो उसमें एक बात क्या हो गई है, एक बात ऐसी हो गई है कि yes, I don't do programs all the time. I don't do that. But people who want, over years, I've also realized that people who want some kind of refinement, people who want a class, they want something nourishing to their intellect, to their thinking, to their spirit, then they want us to perform for them. So we are not the ones who will be present in a corporate show, maybe. Right. Because we don't have that energy. I agree. How can I cannot have all the kinds of energy. See, I cannot make puchkas. See, puchka stall has a great following,
True.
but I do a lot of hard work, but I make good home cooked food, which is nutritious.
Nutritious.
It is hygienic, it is nutritious, and it is nourishing. So I
Yeah.
am clear. I am clear. I am not going to make chaat, pakodi, puchka, golgappa. I will not do that.
Yeah.
I'm not. I even don't want to say that golgappa is bad. It is delicious. So people who want to
Exactly.
have golgappas, they should go
What
to
to
the
get? Let them have.
yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
You go to the गोलगप्पा स्टॉल एंड यू हैव इट. अभी तो कोविड-19 की वजह से कोई गोलगप्पा नहीं खा सकता. सबको घर में बैठ के हाइजीनिक
Right.
एंड नरिशिंग न्यूट्रिशियस गोलगप्पा बना के खाना पड़ेगा. So we have to, I just want to say that we have to, with a pinch of humor, with a pinch
Definitely.
of wit also. We have to be witty also. तो
Wit,
थोड़ा
right.
witty, थोड़ा सा pinch of humor, pinch of sarcasm, and we have to learn to give. Don't understand what we are doing. Some people don't understand. Some people don't understand. So how we will make them understand? It's just so. Are you able to see me?
Yes. Now, in between, it just got freezed and this thing's net
Okay.
problem. Okay. No,
Okay.
no.
So this is also one thing. I think we have to be dancers. We will have to constantly, as I said, the life is a pathshala. So we will have to also learn on this. So we should also say that देखो ये जो बॉलीवुड वगैरह है ना, देखो एक बात मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि आप उनका ना अंग देखो. आप स्टूडेंट के मन में और ऑडियंस के मन में सुंदर अंग देखने की नजर डालनी पड़ेगी हमको. सुंदर
Grace,
अंग,
the grace of their movement.
graceful dancing. So if they really are able to look at the refined rendition of something,
Something, right.
then that is the, then you have one half of the battle you have won, because then they will be able to understand the flaws of dances in the film.
True.
फिल्म में जो अंग है, अभी मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये नहीं बोलूंगी, लेकिन जितने भी कथक गुरुज और डांसर्स हैं वो जानते हैं कि कई
Hello, Didi, can you listen me? Hello. 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 If any of the viewers can write to us, if they can listen, Parvati Di or me, is it okay? Hello. 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 So you're trying to connect with Didi. I think she just got lost. Just connection got lost. So very soon it's going a very long talk, but very informative, and I can't just leave the in between. Didi is also very much engrossed. So Welcome, Didi. This is the third time.
Yes, yes. So anyway, so let me just sum up. So I think
Yes.
audience building remains a challenge for dancers. We have to do that, and it is just the way a mother gives some kind of sanskar of good eating to its children and the community. Similarly, an artist has to produce that kind of environment for herself to survive. You have to, we all have to do that, you know, because we have to clean the environment around us, and then we have to plant some tulsis. I'm metaphorically saying that, you know, सब अपना वातावरण अच्छा करने के लिए we have to work. We have to constantly engage parents and our audience in stimulating conversation. We have to constantly make them reflect and understand what they are doing. We have to make them introspect and understand why they have this kind of an opinion. Only then I think we will be able to come out of this kind of difficulty, I think.
Exactly. Okay, Didi. So the conversation, I think it will not end up in the whole night. We can go on like this. So thank you. I can't just express my thanks. It just endless. So much it's so much informative, stimulating, and humble conversation, Didi, you have been through. Thank you. And the platform is enriched by your just incredible knowledge and so many things which I just got to know. I am so much inspired with you today. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
your
much.
invaluable time. Yes, your invaluable time. You're so busy and you have taken time out of that.
So I'm very,
And
very happy to be talking about some of the subjects that I really like to talk about. Thank you so much.
yes, and yes, Didi. Thank you, Didi. Namaskar, Didi. Pranam.